Rightfully.
Well, never mind. You might as well stay out there. Next match, you're in it. Where at, Fall? Come on.
Rich is out here.
Okay.
Don't go in the yard.
Juggernaut. Please come, Jigsaw. Come on out. Jigsaw.
Oh my God.
Okay, it's Juggernaut. Yeah. Come on out, dude.
Alright, here comes the Juggernaut. One more again.
Next up, triple threat. Go. Now, please welcome the MWF champion. It's not him. What the fuck?
Go find out.
Go find
Seems
out.
to be a bit of confusion here. Getting some things organized.
Oh, we're sticking him in it.
Ding ding.
I think the cold is affecting our brainwaves.
What the fuck?
Jigs, Juggernaut, and Taz just going at it here.
We got one more competitor. What's going on? Hold on. Or don't.
Oh! Taz puts Juggernaut down.
Well, we understand.
Juggernaut's got Taz up.
But unfortunately,
Puts him over the knee.
other man isn't out here yet.
Picks him back up. Oh, puts him over the knee again. One more again, Juggernaut. Oh!
Count that shirt.
I don't see a pin yet.
1, 2.
Oh.
Taz gets the knee up. Juggernaut with a big kick to the hips. Juggernaut getting those big stomps in. Just towering over him, throwing those shots to the head.
1, 2.
Juggernaut with another pin. Taz gets shoulder up. Taz gets a big shot to the torso. Oh!
1, 2.
Taz with the pin. Juggernaut gets shoulder up.
You don't learn to count.
I'm the ref.
So help me God.
Juggernaut with the big spear. Looks like our third competitor.
Our next entry, Jigsaw.
Oh! Ignore the hyena in the background. Jigsaw with a big kick to the torso of Juggernaut. Jigsaw setting up the big table.
Oh, Ryan.
Refo helping set up the table here.
I'm not biased.
That is the most ghetto table setup.
Refo can't count, but he can set up a table, damn sure.
Did you see the one who set the thing up? I can set up a table.
Jigsaw picking his target to put through that nice little table they just set up. And it looks like we have a chair. Jigsaw puts Juggernaut up on the trampoline. Jigsaw picking Tazo up here. Refo's blocking my shot. Jigsaw puts a big suplex on Taz.
1, 2.
Jigsaw 2 count on Taz.
Where's my chair?
Somebody get him his chair.
Jigsaw searching for his big old chair.
Jigsaw! Jigsaw!
Jigsaw's instead going for the trash can lid. Okay. Bending it out. Oh! Jigsaw with the big trash can laid ahead of Juggernaut. Jigsaw's chair is nonchalantly thrown into the ring. Jigsaw and Taz getting the Juggernaut up. Both giving big knees and fists to the back and torso. Juggernaut taking the big stomps while he's down.
What are you, Cody?
The hate crime at this point. Welcome to the hate crime.
Taz pulls Jigsaw off. Taz goes for the pin. Jigsaw pulls Taz off.
I'm getting the pin. The hell you are? The hell you mean?
Jigsaw pushed to the chest of Taz. Jigsaw pulling Juggernaut up. Taz waiting for the opportune moment here. Juggernaut gets Jigsaw up. Oh! Taz, the big kick to the torso of Juggernaut. Putting Juggernaut back on the trampoline. Oh!
One, two.
Jigsaw gets the shoulder up.
Oh! Oh, payback's a bitch.
Juggernaut returning those big torso shots. Taz and Juggernaut are teaming Jigsaw now. What the fuck is going on? This is most definitely a hate crime. Jigsaw flips Taz off with the big kicks to the chest. Jigsaw's got Juggernaut and Taz. Oh! Oh! The big clothesline to Taz. Yeah. Jigsaw on his way over to work on the big man Juggernaut here.
Ah, there we go. There we go. Get the majority. Get him.
Jigsaw and Juggernaut teaming up on Taz here.
Beat the American out of him.
Juggernaut sucks.
He's also South Korean.
He also sucks.
Oh! Jigsaw takes the big mud board to the back of Juggernaut. Setting him up on the board here. Oh!
One, two.
2 count on Juggernaut by Jigsaw. Taz working his way back up.
Tristan, if you want to redeem yourself, you better get up.
Yeah, Taz.
Taz working his way up. Jigsaw's got him by the head. Jigsaw's got Taz up. Oh!
One, two.
Jigsaw with another 2 count on Taz. Jigsaw picking Juggernaut up again. Jigsaw setting Juggernaut up for the table. The reverse on Jigsaw, and Jigsaw is through the table, and Juggernaut is down.
MWF! MWF! MWF!
Dude.
That's how minorities take out minorities.
They're doing the job, so we don't have to.
But if a minority is taking down a minority, then are they really minorities at this point?
This is awesome.
This is awesome.
This is racist.
We want 1, 2.
Juggernaut kicks out of the pin by Taz.
For the MWF Championship,
Taz going for Jigsaw instead.
who's taking the belt home tonight?
Come on, ref. 1,
Would the winner of this match please stand up?
2, 3,
Oh, such bad taste.
4. Ref, you're supposed to only count when all the competitors are down. There's only 2 out of 3.
7! He's new at it, okay?
I'm pretty sure his would be 6.
Oh, Taz gives Jigsaw a big pole to the face.
Goodness gracious. That was electrifying.
Oh!
There's a half a star match.
Taz with a big knee to the face. Taz setting himself up another table. Refo helping out.
Ref's so helpful.
Refs are never this helpful. I don't understand what's going on.
We're training new referees.
This match is the only one standing. T-A-Z. T-A-Z.
Come on, this is 70 other battles. Fuck yeah! Who's gonna show this to the grandma tonight?
Oh, going Scott.
Jigsaw coming over with the pipe. Taz takes a big pipe to the stomach in the back.
Oh, holla if you hear him.
Holla!
Taz is down. Jigsaw with the pickup.
Mike wins game.
Jigsaw with the big setup. Oh!
The proto play. 1, 3, 2.
Oh! Juggernaut stops the pin. We are entering the danger zone.
1, 2.
Taz kicks out of the pin by Juggernaut. All 3 competitors are down at this point. Juggernaut barely moving around here.
1, 2.
Jigsaw kicks out of the pin.
Use the table.
Use the table.
Juggernaut with a big setup on Jigsaw. Might see some action here.
Go both of them. Tables.
Jigsaw is up.
Broke like cable.
Minorities!
Oh!
Jugger the table.
Minority smash!
Double tables.
Yes.
Do we even have enough tables?
All right, black wins.
Oh! Juggernaut drops the big spear on Taz.
Who are you? 1, 2.
Taz still managing to kick out of this pin here.
What are you gonna do about
Will there be any plywood left for next show?
What are you gonna do about it? Kick that. To 84 lumber.
Right to 84 lumber we go.
1, 2.
Taz kicks out again, but gets shoulder up. Jigsaw on his way over to Juggernaut.
We put a wing on every month. Hell yeah!
With the He-Man woman haters club.
Jigsaw with a big setup. Oh!
Final shot. He kicks out.
Juggernaut kicks out.
That's Jolly's brand new move.
This Juggernaut sucks.
He beat Sarah Cullen.
No.
Taz still down here, looking like he might be making a recovery. Jigsaw on his way over to pick the man up. Taz decided to nut up instead of shut up. Oh, Taz drops Jigsaw.
To catch Jolly is his.
1, 2.
Jigsaw gets the shoulder up. Taz showing a bit of frustration.
Damn double champions all over the damn place.
Count that. Oh, never mind.
Taz plotting something here. Let's see what he's got in mind. Taz getting Juggernaut up. Oh, Taz with a big shot to the torso. Taz with another big shot to the torso.
Heyday.
What's going on? on here. What you doing?
Oh! Jigsaw looks like he's making a recovery. Juggernaut kicks out of the pin. Gets the shoulder up. Jigsaw is back on his feet. Jigsaw picking up Taz. Getting him off of Juggernaut. Oh! Oh!
1, 2.
Taz kicks out. Jigsaw showing the frustration. Oh, Jigsaw's got the chair and the trash can lid. Zai. Juggernaut takes a big shot to the torso.
Uh-oh, what's going on here?
Oh, this does not look good.
Dude, Jigsaw in his career.
In his career, he sucks.
He beat serotonin. Serotonin's ass.
Oh!
Perfect throw. Perfect throw. That'll never happen again in 10 years.
You can't even. Oh, yeah.
Jigsaw and Taz teaming up on Juggernaut here.
You get up.
Breaking it out!
Juggernaut still in the lock. Taz with a big kick to the face of Jigsaw.
Get on the keyboard.
Hey, John Doyle, anonymous fan.
Oh, what the fuck?
I wasn't even here and he had his hand.
Taz has the chair now. Oh, to the torso of Jigsaw.
What is
Juggernaut's got the pan.
this?
Oh! Damn!
Oh!
Juggernaut hopping his way along here.
1, 2.
Taz, to kick to the chest of Juggernaut. Taz puts Juggernaut into the ladder.
USA, USA, USA.
Taz debating on what to do with Mr. Jigsaw. Taz with the pole. Throwing it out of the way.
Dude, you're that MWF guy, right?
I was showing all kinds of people on break one day. They were like,
Taz with a big stomp to the chest. Taz with the second one.
they're gonna fire him tomorrow anyway.
He'll be let go tomorrow, dude.
They fired me on Tuesday.
Taz stretching the leg.
Like, your hair's too wiry.
Eric walked me out. This is what he said I was in.
Taz working his way back over to Juggernaut. Taz with the big knee to Juggernaut's torso.
How bad you want it?
Taz setting up another pedigree. Nope, Jigsaw kicks out.
Oh, shit. That's gonna be ugly.
Oh, Jigsaw works on the back of Juggernaut. Big shot to the torso of Taz. Oh!
Oh, shit.
1, 2.
Taz still kicks out. What the hell?
Beat me one, I got screwed. Beat me twice, I got screwed again. Beat me 3 times. Well, you can't beat me 3 times, so yeah. If our paths ever cross,
I'm doing it.
Jigsaw is an animal. Oh! Taz drops the kick right into the face of Jigsaw.
1, 2.
Jigsaw kicks out. Juggernaut working his way back over. Juggernaut pushes Taz out of the way. Jigsaw kicks up. Taz and Juggernaut fighting it out. Taz, 4 big kicks, 5 big kicks to the torso of Juggernaut here. Oh! Taz with a big kick to the face of Juggernaut. Jigsaw working his way back up here. Refo almost just ate the dirt. Taz getting Jigsaw up. Moving him over here. What is going on here? Jigsaw is up.
Are you gonna jack his move now? Here we go.
Oh!
1, 2.
Jigsaw still gets the shoulder up.
Man, China
Juggernaut,
felt
you
that.
almost lost. Out of position as always.
Jigsaw hits another big kick to the head. Jigsaw working his way back up here. Taz with a big kick to the face.
1, 2, 3.
Taz is the winner.
Where? The winner and new MWF champion of the world, T-A-Z Taz.
S-T-A-C. Fast. Total emerge.
Jigsaw, someone's showing some respect here.
After 8 shows, he's the champion.
I feel bad for Juggernaut. That man can never get a break.
Why does this sound familiar?
Justin Starr and Drillbit on their way in.
Oh, because Breffo doesn't matter. I see how it is.
And Refo, Blaxican.
What we got going on here?
Seems to be short a couple of pieces of gold.
Justin Starr and Drillbit going in for the takedown. Justin Starr beating up on the head of Jigsaw.
Juggernaut, what are you gonna do?
He's gonna call Ghostbusters.
Juggernaut's up.
Nothing, because Juggernaut sucks.
Oh shit!
I should have told you before he comes over and hurts you again.
Oh!
Set it up.
What is what?
Shit just got real. We do not have a script.
Juggernaut whooping up on Taz. Oh! Drove it with a big fist to the back of Jigsaw. Justin Starr's got the board up. Juggernaut with the assist on setting the table up.
He's down.
7!
What's going on here?
7.
John, call Loco. He's part of the
Loco.
Justin Starr with the big setup.
Oh my God!
Oh!
MWF!
Taz working his way back up.
Oh man. What have we witnessed here today?
This is gonna be mine! Dead end!
What he said. Yeah, knock the fuck out.
Ass whooping.
Next is ass.
Knocked out. You're like a government mule.
Gee, what are you doing? You gotta get them up. You gotta help them. They're down.
Fuck.
I don't even want to.
He's so muddy.
Be a damn good chairman and help
Ready
him
to get up yet, bro? Come on now.
Jigsaw picking himself up.
Nothing to stop that.
It's not like he's a wrestler. Ernie cannot help him.
You muddy, but y'all good.
Somebody get him a doctor. Doctor.
His mama.
Leave Kristen laying there. He's just the champ. Wait, this is your dog? He don't need nothing else. Who's this giant man assisting Taz? The stage manager. Why is he not in the ring?
With help from the back, Taz is still champion.
Not a fan, Joe. Go get him. Go help. Locals managers, go.
What the hell did we just witness?
Was that the RWF? For what? Shut up. As a fail. What are you gonna do?